Hi guys, this is Michelle at MyEveryDayWifeLife, and if you're new to my channel, welcome. And this is my third video in my summer cleaning series. This is my one and done zone cleaning routine. Hey, I'm doing another weekly home refresh. It happens to be a Tuesday, and this is coming off of 4th of July weekend. I don't usually do 2 weekly home refreshes so close together, but it needed it because not much got done this weekend. So I'm just going to clean up and straighten up around the house and do all the things. Also, I'm going to finish up what I didn't finish on the last weekly home refresh, which I believe I posted on Thursday. And it was actually a Thursday that I did the cleaning, and I did my planning and budgeting. I believe I am going to be doing cleaning the refrigerator and the freezer, straightening the refrigerator and the freezer and the pantry. Okay, I'm just checking on the laundry status, and I try to do a load every day, but that doesn't always happen. As you can see here, some laundry piled up. I'm going to go around the house, straightening up each room and putting things away. Okay, I'm just going to put away this package from Amazon, which is actually coffee that I ordered. And that lampshade, I need to return that. That will be in an anti-procrastination video coming up soon. And I also refilled all of my pill things for the week. I actually did that on Sunday for hubby and I take a lot of supplements, so don't be alarmed. I only take one medication, my thyroid medication, and the rest are supplements. I'm just straightening up the dining room, and this board here is going to be a shelf that I'm going to hang up there as soon as I get to the store to buy some brackets. Yeah, that's on the list. Okay, now I'm going to just straighten up the laundry room, which you can see if you've been following me for a long time, that my laundry room used to always be a disaster area. It's actually not that bad, so I'm going to straighten that up, work on the laundry. I don't necessarily do all the things in order. I just do move about the house and kind of go room to room and see what needs to be done. This lighting here, I decided I was going to donate it, but hubby says he wants that. So I cleaned out my craft room and decluttered that. If you want to see that video, it was a tour. I'll put the link down below. But I'm just going to put that in Monica closet because hubby said he wanted it. We shall see. Okay, my utility cart, which is one of those rolling carts that I got from Target, has gotten a mess. So I'm going to just sit here and straighten it up and show you some of the things that I have in my cart. Okay, I have all of my microfiber cloths and my blue paper towels. I'll put a link down below. You can get those in the automotive section that I use for Windexing. And these are microfiber slippers that I use when I'm mopping, but I often forget. It's so that I don't slip on the floor, and it helps dry the floor up. And that is some pet spray that is much needed when you have 3 cats. And what else do I have here? I have some lint brushes and some more mop heads, and that is baking soda with essential oils in it to sprinkle on the carpet. But do not do that with your robot vac. So from what I understand, it's not good to use baking soda or on the carpet when you have a robot vac. So I sprinkle it on there when I am using my regular vacuum and make sure I get it all up. Apparently, maybe that's why Chewy is temperamental. These weird things that I got off of Amazon that I got suckered in, I believe it was from Facebook or Instagram. They're supposed to get all of the cat fur off the rug. Yeah, it doesn't really work. Guess what? It does work if you don't vacuum. that's where you see it on Instagram or Facebook and it's pulling up all the cat hairs. Yeah, if you don't vacuum, then you can see it. But I recently vacuumed, so there's nothing on there. They were not necessary. I think they will also get the little pilly threads off of your shirt. I have not tried that yet. I'll let you know. Okay, I am moving on to straightening up the bathrooms, and I use the guest bathroom. I don't know, I just like that shower better than the one in my bathroom, and underneath there hubby's cabinet needs straightened up, decluttered. That's another day. So I did deep clean our shower, but I need to rinse that out better. And I'm not making the bed because hubby's working in the bed today, so he's working in the bedroom. He likes to hang out in there. I need to put these bags back where they belong. I rinsed them out. They were nasty. And I'm going to be moving on to vacuuming now.
Show me what it's like to be circling among the clouds. Because without you by my side, I would be stuck here on the ground. You're lighting up the way, I can see the road ahead of me. I won't be stumbling in the dark. Your eyes are shining like the stars. I was down until you saved me, until you set me free. My eyes were closed.
Okay, guys, this song is hitting me apparently in my eyes right now. So I'm trying not to get emotional here, but I want to thank all of my faithful subscribers for getting me to 8,000 subscribers. Yay! You guys have held me up for the last 6 years with 2 bouts of severe depression, and I'm done. I'm done. I don't think I'm going back there again. We shall see. Knock on wood that my thyroid medication continues to work correctly, but you have held me up all this time. Watching my videos and making videos was motivating me to to do more videos because I knew you guys were watching. So thank you for your support over all these years. Making videos has really helped my depression, although I was not able to film and post videos when I was at my worst, because you just can't. If you have depression, you know. So, but it did uplift me when I was able to, and help me get better. So I thank you for that.
No one will ever take me away from you. I promise I will hold on to you. I don't know what I'd do without you. Without you. You can take me high. Feels like I can fly. You can take me high. Feels like I can fly. You can take me high. Show me what it's like to be circling among the clouds. Because without you by my side, I would be stuck here on the ground.
I'd like to also thank all of my new subscribers. Welcome. I know I got a bunch of new subscribers recently, which got me to the 8,000 subscribers. So thank you for that, and looking forward to getting to know you better.
I was down until you saved me, until you set me free. My eyes were closed, now I see clear as day, and I just wanted to say that you can take me high. Feels like
I'm trying to hold it together here. Okay, again, I want to thank you for lifting me up and holding me up when I felt my worst. Yeah. You guys are the best, and you've helped me build this My Everyday Wife Life community, and you are awesome, and I totally appreciate you more than you even know. Okay, moving on to my grocery list and meal plan, and then straightening the freezer and the refrigerator and the pantry. That I didn't get to any of that on Thursday when I also did a weekly home refresh. If you didn't see that video, you might want to click on that below. I will have a playlist of all the videos. I have at least 3 more coming up, so stay tuned for that. Okay, when I do my weekly home refresh, I like to wash the cat trays and the cat dishes and clean all that. I didn't get to it on Thursday, so I am doing that now. Or sometimes I will do it when I do my zone cleaning in this zone, and that video will be coming up on Friday, I believe. On Wednesday, I will be posting Zone 2, which is the dining room, the entryway, the library, and the laundry room. Didn't really need to be cleaned out, and the desk is pretty good. If you have been following me for a long time, you know that my desk has been a huge problem, and I've made quite a bit of progress on that, so I am pretty happy. I still have more to do. I have been keeping up what's coming in, but past paperwork, yeah, I still need to go through that. That will be coming up in a decluttering video. Hey, again, this is a one and done cleaning routine that I started last May when we were having a bug problem, and I was just coming off of finally feeling better from my bout of depression, and my house was a mess. We were having spider problems, and I was cleaning the house from top to bottom since, you know, we were on lockdown. And so I was realizing I was kind of having a little routine here. So I decided to, even though I'm a nonconformist, I decided to create this routine and see how it worked out. I have not stuck to it completely every month or every week. Actually, I've been slacking off the last couple months, but I did fall off my bike and I did get sick, so there's that. Yeah, so anyway, I wanted to do this routine again in July to get back on track and show you what it really looks like. And actually, I'm not sticking to it, but I'm still getting stuff cleaned. We'll talk about that in another video of what I learned through this whole cleaning routine and what I'm changing and what I'm not changing. I think I'm planning to go ahead and do a live video on what I've learned through doing this cleaning routine. This is coming from, like I said, a nonconformist, and we'll see how that goes. I still need to tweak a few things before I do my live video. Okay, so this is future me showing you an update, and I am doing really well. This is like a week after I posted this video, keeping the house clean and straightened. After dinner, the kitchen got cleaned up so it's not a mess. Okay, that was on Saturday, and here is Sunday. So Sunday I spent part of the day doing some planning. The house didn't need a weekly home refresh this week since I had been doing zone cleaning and 2 weekly home refreshes already. So there's that. Okay, that was last week's plan, and then this is this week's plan. You may notice that I'm using a different planner if you're a faithful subscriber. I just tend to be complacent, and also too, for me, it's more like a brain dump. So I have a lot of lists here, and I don't always check things off. Like I was trying to do a tracking, you know, of different things, and I write it down, but I don't always track it. So there's that. Like I said, it's more like a brain dump. So I'm using this sheet here that is a pad that I got off of Amazon. I will link it down below. It's a weekly planner, and then I do a daily planner in this notebook that I've been using. So there's that. But here is my weekly or my monthly planner that I usually use that you guys might be used to seeing. This is for my one and done cleaning routine. Sometimes I like to use this or both. So this was for July, and I wrote down what I did for the zone clean extras, and I am going to be mapping out what I'm going to be doing for August. Actually, a little sneak peek is I am not going to map out the zones. They are going to happen as the days progress, whenever I can fit it in. I was finding that doing zones on specific days was just, I mean, I can always move it to the next day, but it was just problematic for me. So whenever I can fit in the zone cleaning, I will. So if I zone clean on Monday on zone 1 and I don't zone clean again until Friday on zone 2, oh well, that's it is. And then I'll do zone 3 on the next day, and so on and so on, and just rotate between the 3 zones. Okay, budget planning. Yeah, I haven't been sticking to that for the last couple months. I kind of got off track, but to be honest with you, we are debt free except for our house. So what we do is we just take off a certain amount of money every month at the beginning of the month and put that in savings instead of at the end of the month. And then whatever's left is what we spend. So there's nothing left, then we can't spend anything. If you like this video, I'd love for you to give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to comment below. It really helps out my channel. Until next time, guys, enjoy your day.